Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to register with the prop trading firm FunderPro. If you want to use the services of this prop trading firm, stay with us. Alright, from the review section, go to the prop firm area and select FunderPro from the available prop firms. On this page, you can find complete information about this site, and by clicking on the Go to Website option, you'll be taken to the registration page on FunderPro's official website. On this page, you need to enter your email to start the registration process in this section and click on the Sign Up button. A confirmation email has been sent to you. Go to your email inbox. You'll see that you've received this message from FunderPro. By clicking on this option, your email will be successfully verified. On the next page, you need to enter your first name, last name, password, date of birth, mobile number, and country of residence. After entering this information, you need to agree to the website's terms and conditions and click on the Confirm button. Alright, the registration process on Prop Trading FunderPro was completed successfully and you have logged into your account. That was the tutorial on how to register on this website. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.